What's up? What's up? What's up, friends? How are you? I hope everybody's okay. I'm lonely traveling, and today I'm here in upstate New York. Today gonna hike, you know. It's like afternoon. This is the best time to walk around in the park. This beautiful park. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this park. You know, I hope you guys like. A lot of beautiful things here for you guys to see. Beautiful landscape, and almost the people in the weekend they come here to relax. So we know to walk, to hike. It's a very pretty place. Very, very nice. Let's walk around. Let's see what they have. See over here? Look. Nice, all right? Look at that bridge. See it? What do you guys think? You guys like it? Look there. Beautiful. See this upstate Westchester County, New York. See over here? Look. Very nice. So walk around. Okay. Look. Beautiful. What do you guys think of this place? You guys like it? I invite everybody to come here in the weekend. Just come here and bring your whole family. Okay, gonna walk all the way down to the other side. I don't know how long gonna take. I hope this video, you know, don't be too long. So you're gonna walk all the way down. People riding on the bicycle over here. You have to be careful, you know. That's it, nothing else. Not a lot of noise. You know, everything quiet. Look at the bridge. Look there. Little birds here. Let's see if you can be able to see little birds. Nice. It's right there. Look there. Oh man, they fly away. Fly away. Now I gotta walk around. Gotta look for another bird. Look there. All right. Not a long way to go. You guys like to walk? Stay with me. Beautiful bridge. Okay. See right there? And I walk all the way down. Okay, let's cross that bridge. Okay, let's go to the other side. See? I like to walk when there's nobody around. Then I feel more relaxed. You know. What I can say, you know, but I hope you guys like. Oh man, see the advantage when walking. If you feel tired, if you're a little bit tired, you can go to the seat there, sit down for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever it's gonna take. And keep walking again, because this place is pretty big. All right, so walk around. Let's see. More. This Westchester County, New York City. Crystal water. See it right there? This is the river, little river. See over here? Nice, right? And there, they got a little bridge, like old bridge, wood. I'm gonna go there and take a look. But look at this place, guys. See how it's nice coming here in the weekend? And walk around, you see everything natural. It's beautiful. I love that. Look. Nice, right? Oh man. Guys, let me know what you guys think. Let's take a look at this one here. See? Beautiful. Look that river. Beautiful. See over here? Nice, right? What do you guys think? You guys like this type of video? Landscape. See? Look, another bridge. See over here? I love a small bridge like this. Like wood bridge. This one look like in 1924. See? Nice, right? Let's go in here. Oh man, you see? You hear the birds sing? It's nice. Look there, river. Look. Look guys. Look that beauty. Oh man. Look that. What do you guys think? You guys like? You guys like places like this? Look, you just come here on the weekend. You got a planned place to go. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Let's see what they have. Look, this little bridge. Look it. Look there. Nice, right? Oh. See? Beautiful. Look there. Let's turn to this side. See? Look right there. This is very nice to come in the weekend, all right? I think any day, for the person who have not to do, just come here every day. Come every day. Let's walk around. Let's see. Look there. See, when you walk and you get tired, you can come here. It's a little bank and sit over here. A little sit. You see. Some people, they like to do exercise, some people walk it. I like to walk. The way I enjoy more, you know, I have more fun. See another bridge over there. See it? I hope you guys like this video because I really like it. See? Nice. This place is pretty big. Okay? It's very, very big. Okay? See, I like it to walk like at the end of the day, afternoon, when nobody around. What do you guys think about this place? You guys like it? Beautiful, right? All right, let's walk to the other side. Let's see what they have the other side, okay?